Guys, we'll be back into this short tutorial in Python with what on as tkinter, whereby we are going to be learning how to add the title to our Python program. I remember teaching recently how to add the minimum size and the maximum size. Now I would like us also at the moment to learn how to make what on us to configure the title. You see, if you happen to run this Python program, we shall discover that our Python program looks like this, but we don't have the title here on our program. To get the title, we can always configure that basing on how we would like our stuff to look like. So I'm just going to show you also here maybe how to configure to change what on us to configure the title, giving the window title. Yes, giving title, or one on us setting title to maybe to your GUI, to your Python GUI. So to do so, the next thing we have to do at the moment, within just a minute, is to give one us top title to your program. Now here you have to frame the title and make sure it is a string, or it has to be inside a string. I will simply say maybe introduction to Python. I will simply say Python with tkinter, maybe tkinter. That's what I have my title. So if I happen to click here, happen to run, you'll discover that now we have our title here, introduction to Python with tkinter. So guys, that's how it is, and that's how simple it is. So please guys, that's it. So please I repeat again, that's the piece of code you have to enter there. Just introduction to Python with the tkinter will be on the top of your program. So this is how I add the code. That's it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thank you.